Hello students, I would like to welcome all my dear students to 5th B1 and B2. This is mathematics subject ICSE session 2. I hope you remember this textbook. This is our textbook for 5th standard. Okay, in the last class you all remember what we have discussed? Yes. Shall we get into our lesson today? This is called successor of a number. Today we are going to see a new topic called successor and predecessor, and we also will talk about arranging the numbers. I want you to listen very carefully. Successor of a number. Successor means, you know what students, if the given question number at the end with the last number, we have to add one number. We have to add one number at the last number with the last number. For example, see the question is given here, right? The last number ending with 6 plus we have to add. Remember that. Plus we have to add one number. After adding this one number, the last digit change, right? The last digit changes. Now from number change from, see here, 9 crores 52 lakhs 10,736. By adding 1, it changes its value. 9 crores 52 lakhs 10,737. From 36, it became 37. Adding one number with the given number, that is called successor of a number. We will do the exercise also for this afterward. Now we will discuss about predecessor of a number. Can you pronounce along with me? Predecessor of a number. As I said, successor means we have to add one number. Predecessor means we have to minus one number at the last with the given number. We have to minus, we have to subtract one number. For example, if you minus one number, what will become? The 6 will become 5. Shall we see that? See, 9 crores 52 lakhs 10,736. Right? That is the question. Now, if you minus, this will become 9 crores 52 lakhs 10,735, because we have minused one number from here. So the answer is become like this. So the predecessor of this is 9 crores 52 lakhs 10,735. Successor of a number, we have to add one number with the given number at the last. Predecessor means we have to subtract one number with the given number. Got it? See, we have the hint. Is given. To get the successor, add one number. To get the predecessor, subtract one number. Remember this, and we are in page 8. Okay? I hope you understood this. Now, if you come to page 9, we have another subtopic called comparing numbers. Comparing numbers. Students, tell me, why do we compare numbers? To know which number is greater and which number is smaller. When we compare only, we can know the difference between two numbers. Yes or no? Here we have two groups of numbers and we will compare. This is the example ones. The exercise sum we will do in the next page. See here we got 8 digit number, here we got 7 digit number. Which number will be greater? I'll tell you, the number which is having more digit, that is greater. The number which is having less digit, that is smaller. By the way, you should know the meaning of greater symbol. The meaning of greater symbol. This is the symbol for greater symbol. For example, see, this is the symbol, right? If the mouth, this has the mouth, it's open, right? This open side will be always facing to the greatest number. This closed side will be always facing to the smaller number. Okay, that is smaller number. Now we will use this sign often for the greater numbers. Now listen very carefully. Now see here we have 8 digit number, 7 digit number, and see the hint is given. The number with more digit is greater. The number with more digit is greater. Now tell me, which side number has more digit? We have 8 digit number, we have 7 digit number. Then which can be greater number? Yes, 8 digit has more number, that will be greater. So greater number side will be the open side. This is the sign for greater sign. So let us say that 1 crore 34 lakhs 76,241 greater than 58 lakhs 47,624. So this is greater. That's why the symbol is facing to the greater number side. This is, we are comparing the numbers. Remember that which side number has more digit number, that is the greater number. Less digit number is the lesser number. And then let us now see about the digit number in detail. In deeply we'll see how to compare the number. If you learn this better, this will make you to give good understanding. This will give you clear understanding when we see another topics. So let us compare this number, okay? Here we have 4 crores 75 lakhs 26,148, and the another side 4 crores 75 lakhs 78,148. Shall we compare? Okay. For comparing, first will come from the left. This is the left side. This is the left side. On the extreme side of the left, we have number 4. Here 4. And from here right side, first number we will take it. Now we have 4. And then second number 7. Here also second number 7 equal. 4 4 equal. 7 7 equal. Now 5, third number 5. Here also third number 5. 5 and 5 equal. Now come to fourth number, that is, here is mentioned 26,000. Here is mentioned 78,000. Now which is greater? 26 is greater or 78 greater? But in this 2 is mentioned, here 7 is mentioned. So 7 is greater than 2. 7 is greater than 2. That's why the greater symbol is facing to number 7, and then 148, and here also 148 equal. So this is greater. 4 crores 75 lakhs 78,148 greater than 4 crores 75 lakhs 26,148. Understand, students? Okay, this is called comparing two groups of numbers. Now we'll learn how to order the numbers. How to order the numbers. I will read and explain this sentence, is very important. Numbers can be arranged in ascending or descending order. Right? We have two types of numbers. In ordering, we have two types of ordering the numbers. One is ascending order. Next one is descending order. Now, what is the meaning of ascending order? What's the meaning of descending order? Ascending order means arranging the number from small to the greatest. Descending order means arranging the numbers from the greatest to the smallest. Now I will show you a chart and explain to you clearly. Ascending order. Ascending order means we have to arrange the number from smaller number to the bigger number. For example, I have arranged from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I arrange from smaller number to the bigger number. 1 is small and 10 is greater number. So ascending order means arranging the number from smaller number to the greatest number. Smaller number to the greatest number. Understand that. And what is the meaning of descending order? The meaning of descending order means arranging the numbers from greatest number to the smallest number. Greatest number to the smallest number. See, I have arranged the number, for example, from 10 to the lowest number 1, like 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. From greater number to the smallest number. So what is the difference between arranging number, ascending number and descending number? Ascending number from smallest number to the bigger number. Descending number greatest number to the smallest number. Okay, fine. I hope you are clear with. Now page number 9. One example sum is given. Arrange the following numbers in ascending order. We are going to see this column for arranging the number in ascending order. 4 groups of numbers given. We have to use place value chart to arrange these numbers according to its value. Let us do that. Now we have to arrange the number. Let us take the smallest number first. Okay, as we have crores, lakhs, thousand, ones, and in crores will come from the right side. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores. Understand? Shall we arrange the first one? That is 5,27,358. See, under ones 8, tens 5, 100 3, 1000 7, 10,000 2, lakhs 5. Got it? Arranged. Now next one. Even I have used a clear chart also. A next number 5 lakhs 27,868. How to arrange? Under ones 8, under tens 6, under 100 8, under 1000 7, under 10,000 2, under lakhs 5. And next group of number, this is This is 19 lakhs 100. 19 lakhs 100. How to place it? Under ones 0, under tens 0, under 100 1, under 1000 0, under 10,000 0, under lakhs 9, under 10 lakhs 1. Okay, this is the way we used. And then for example, another sum, we have another group of another number. This is the greatest number. This is 11 crores 40 lakhs 7,525. Got it? This is the biggest number given. So you saw how we arranged. Now we have to now check which is greater than which number. Okay, now see here. 11 crores 40 lakhs 7,525 is greater than 19 lakhs 100. 19 lakhs 100. And then this 19 lakhs 100 is greater than 5 lakhs 27,868. Okay, and again this number is greater than 5,27,358. See, this symbol is used. The open, these two sides are open, right? That is open to the bigger greatest number side. This number is greater than this. This number is greater than this. This number is greater than this. This is how we arrange the number in ascending order. This is the example for arranging the number in ascending order. Now shall we see another example sum, how to arrange the number in descending order. This is the another example how to arrange the number in descending order. Okay, previously we saw for arranging the number in ascending order. Now arranging the number in descending order. Now look here, this chart, as we have crores, lakhs, ones, thousand, lakhs, crores. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores. Okay, now this given number, how we have to arrange it? Okay, how we have to arrange it? In ascending order, we arranged from smaller number to the bigger number, right? In descending order, let us go from the greatest number. Which is the greatest number? This one. How to read the first number? 18 crores 76 lakhs 53,241 is the greatest number among the given number. And then next greater number is 8 crores 67 lakhs 53,241. And then this number is smaller than the previous number. 19 lakhs 87,999. Got it? Now the lowest number at the lowest number, 9 lakhs 87,999. 9. That is the lowest number. See, we are arranging the number in descending order. That is, we have to arrange from the greatest number. This is greater. So, when we write at the last 18 crores 76 lakhs 53,241 is greater than the next number 8 crores 67 lakhs 53,241. Okay, and then this is greater than this number, this is greater than the last number, this is the smallest number. We have arranged from bigger number, I mean greater number to the smallest number, greatest to the smallest. I hope you have understand how to arrange the numbers in ascending order and descending order. Let's see some of the examples from the exercises. Exercise 1.2. Exercise 1.2. In that A and B we will do in the Zoom class. Okay, and then let us see about section C. Write the predecessor of each number. See children, predecessor is very simple. What I have told you, we have to subtract, we have to minus. If you minus this will become 14 lakhs 32,121 will become 20. That's all. Next one, 69 lakhs 5,070. If you minus 1, this will become 5,069. 70 will become 69. This is the example for predecessor. And then for successor, I have told you we have to add 1. We have to add 1. 42 lakhs 57,198. If you add 1, this will become 42 lakhs 57,199. 98 will become 99. That's all. Okay, and this is, you do it as your homework, right? You have to put greater symbol or lesser symbol or equal in the circle. Got it? And the next one, as I told you, we have to arrange in ascending order. You should know how to arrange the number in ascending order and descending order, right? As I have explained to you. So I want you to do number 1 in this and another one in this. I will also show you another example how to arrange in ascending order and descending order. This is the example 1 I'll do for you, and another 2 you do it as your homework. For example, arrange in ascending order. See here, this is mixed number. We have to find out from smallest number to the greatest number. Arranging the number in ascending order, exercise 1.2, section F. The smallest number is here 2,33,456 is the smallest. This is the example sum for arranging the numbers in ascending order. Exercise 1.2 F, number 1 sum from smallest number to the bigger number. See, this is arranged from smaller number, little bigger, and the biggest number. The smallest number is 2,33,456. Like this, we have to write from smallest number, then little bigger and biggest, and this is the biggest number, 18 crores 76 lakhs 1,238 is the greatest. So arranging from smallest to the greatest number. Now section G, arrange the numbers in descending order. This we have to arrange from the greatest, the biggest number to the smallest number. Likewise, from given question, I have arranged. For example, this is the bigger number 18 crores 16 lakhs 11,304. Likewise, we have to write from bigger number, little bigger, then little smaller, then the smallest. The bigger number will come always first. So this is exercise 1.2. Okay students, for listening very carefully, I would like to thank you for listening very carefully, and we will continue our lesson in the next class. Thank you all. Have a nice day.